Why can't I speak? I'm a pacifist. Look at him. He looks like that weird uncle that's like trying to talk to you. Oh my god! Oh my god! No! 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 I caught you! Bro, what the heck? I caught him. I'm literally here, Peach. Look at her. Look at her caught red-handed. What am I supposed to do? Oh, what the heck? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. It's a chainsaw. This is so scary. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stupid cheese bear. Where am I supposed to go? Am I gonna die? Do I keep doing this? Okay, finally. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm finally back in my room, safe. Safe inside my room. Oh, this is my daughter's room. Itsuka, is that you? What's happening? Wait, what happened? Did I get the bad ending?